Rage on that beat, going crazy.
All right, guys, it's Uncle Mike 392 out here in Choctaw this morning at the car show. Let me get this old Cadillac right here. What's going on, brother?
You all right?
Yes, sir. Let me get behind you, man. I'm gonna get a cold start on this old Cadillac. Uh-oh. There we go. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, brother.
Hey, no problem, man. St. Louis, probably.
Whose is this? You know I want to hear it, right? I just know I was going to see you in that Chevelle, man. How many Chevelles you got?
2.
I knew. Okay, you got 2. Okay. They both black.
No, I got one in pieces of 69.
Oh, 69. Okay.
Boxes and boxes of parts stacked up.
I got it.
Ooh, look at this big engine in this thing, man. That guy with the summit hat on, this belongs to him, guys. And he got a beautiful black Chevelle. Same guy. He got a beautiful black SS Chevelle. This is nice. Let me get this. I gotta get a cold start on this Z28, baby. Excuse me, guys. Can I get through here? You filming inside? Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. This is a 69?
That's what somebody was saying.
69.
Same year as
Okay. All right. Can I hear it, brother? Tuskegee. You're going to give us a cold start. American muscle, baby. American muscle. There's the owner right here. I appreciate it, brother. So you did all the work on this yourself?
Car, we done the whole thing.
The whole thing, wow. You did it on the SS too, the Chevelle?
No, I bought it.
You bought it like that, really? Man, I love your SS, man. Every time I see you, man, I'm like, okay, I got to get him on my channel. You ever watch my channels? You see your car on my channel?
All done.
I love it, man. Thank you so much. Have you seen Ronnie? You know Ronnie drive that Dodge Dart with the cams in it? You know what I'm talking about?
You talking about the green dart?
It's like a brownish car. I haven't seen him in a while. Last time I seen him was it's the you know, the old coffin cars out there. I ain't seen him in a while. What year is this thing here?
I'm not sure.
Who is it? You know who it belongs to? Whose is this? Can I hear it, please? Can I hear it? Yeah, cold start, please. I heard you coming down the street. You're gonna get this old on this channel, man. You know me, I love them cold starts, brother. I ain't afraid to ask either. It's 1937. Thank you, man.
I spent a lot of money, just not on mufflers.
There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And here's a Dodge Swinger, dark. I think I got them all, guy. Ain't that many out here, so I think I got them all. I got me a couple of nice cold starts. I like that.
Nope, they don't say a word.
They probably like hearing it.
Yeah, they don't say a word.
Give me some thumbnail pictures of it as one. Got a big 4x4 off of over here. Yes, sir. Nova. There's another Nova. So I'm gonna end it right there on this, guys. All right, guys, Uncle Mike 392. I'll see you guys on the other side later. All right, guys, Uncle Mike 392. Here's another Nova. Check this out, guys. That's Nova, baby. Listen at that thing. Listen at that thing. Nova, baby. That sounds beautiful, man. What's going on, brother?
Thank you. Not much. How you doing?
I see you all over the place, man.
I'm driving the wheels off of it.
Yeah, I see you at Santa Fe. That's why I seen you the first couple of times. Santa
Yeah.
Fe, yeah.
Yep.
We either like literally cut that big gas weld out of there, scoop the fender back, and how you doing? You never know what you're buying. When I got all that.
What year is this?
66.
66. 66 Nova, guys.
I'll probably wind up just selling that thing.
What's that one down there, that purple one? Is that a Nova too?
Yep, that's a 66.
66? Oh.
Good looking car.
Mm-hmm. Let's go down. I'm gonna go down there and check it out, put it on film. Yeah, I got you in a lot of my videos, man.
I made it into quite a few of
A
them.
lot of them. You know, a lot, especially if you go to Santa Fe,
Mm-hmm.
because I'm always there.
Kansas City built up. He was going to make it, well, he did make a Dino Don's farm. And
Matter of fact, that's usually where I see you at Santa Fe.
Yeah.
I go up there a lot, so he put a 427 side oiler in it. And he sold me the 289 that he had built up. Thank you. The 929 Hypo with
Beautiful Nova, man. They got another Nova. I'm gonna show you guys that other Nova. There's another Nova down there too. Man, it's beautiful, man. How you doing, brother?
Good. How you doing?
All right, thank you. Did you hear him coming in?
What's that?
Did you hear him coming in?
Yeah.
He sound good, man.
Yeah, it sounds real good.
You see that purple one down there? They got another one down there. Purple one.
No. I'd still be working on it today. I'm just like, no, so I think I'll just sell it.
LSX 454. Never heard of that kind of engine.
An LS.
Probably sell it too, because I
454.
Too many projects.
but I've already bought it.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go down here and film this other Nova down here. Oh yeah, that is nice. 66. It's a 66 Nova. Wow. Huh? Oh, okay. Okay. Beautiful, man. This is a small Gatherman, but they got some very nice cars here, man. Very nice. We'll get this on here real quick. Check this out. Go. What you think about this Nova, man? It's nice, huh?
Oh, I love it, man.
That color, man.
Yeah.
You see that other Nova up there?
The gray one? Oh, it is.
Sick. All right, let me give me a good thumbnail shot of this rest. There you go.
Let's get right going tonight for June. You're right home this week. But yeah, I've been cruising it since about June. Well, look, yeah, I've seen it. I thought about.
All right, let's get this on here. We just pulled in. Let's check this out.
Gonna go all the way around, 2 link in the rear. And, but
Oh,
yeah,
Ford on here.
yeah, those are pretty awesome.
Says Ford.
I built yeah,
Chevrolet too. Ford Chevy, right?
and they're just easy. Where'd you move to? Down at Triple X. Okay. But I'm getting ready to move to Georgia, so. Oh yeah. We're moving in January to Georgia, so. I'll tell you what, people living in that house now are kind of weirdos,
I know,
man.
that's the weirdest thing.
They haven't done nothing with
And
any.
they cut all those trees down. I don't know what the heck they were thinking.
Yeah, their kids are.
See, they were from Alaska. I mean, you know, you never know about anybody, but yeah, it was weird. I couldn't believe they cut them.
Yeah, and they just the lock was just piled. Yeah, they didn't chip them nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's your name, man? Cody.
Steve.
Cody. Good to meet you. Again.
Yeah. Let's go look at the car.
Yeah.
Let me get back a little bit if I can get the whole car and put this Nova. and get this Camaro over here. See people pointing.
Oh yeah.
They pointing at it for me to film it, to video it. So I'm gonna walk over and film this. He just drove in while I was doing that purple Nova over there. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Check it out. Nice. That's really nice. There ain't a lot of people here, guys, but it's, it's some nice cars out here, man. It's not big, but they got some nice cars out here.
SVP trade, yeah.
So let me go over here. I'm gonna shut it down over here.
No.
All right, guys, Uncle Mike 392. I'm going to shut it down right here. I'll see you guys on the other end. Take care. Have a great weekend, guys. I'm going to leave this place and go on somewhere else to find content for you guys. Take care. Late.